It looks like we have one more.
Oh, great.
Hi, I'm Al from St. Louis, Missouri.
Yeah, we know, Mr. Rabowski.
Well, I'm here to be your newest cold buster.
Didn't we see you at last year's tryout?
Yep.
All right, Al, let's see what you got.
Knock, knock. Hi, I'm Al from Vogel Heating and Cooling. I'm here to check your AC.
I'm sorry, Al, but looking at your resume, it looks like you have no heating and cooling experience.
Correct.
Under special skills, it just says fastballs.
Yeah, but pretty cool, right?
At Vogel, we only hire the best techs. I'm sorry, Al, but it looks like you're just not cut out for this. Hey, Al. See you next year?
Yeah, that's cool, man. I'll see you next year. Woo-hoo. At Vogel Heating and Cooling, we only hire the best, so we can provide the best service for our St. Louis customers.